Leading the way for over 30 years, the Ahmed glaucoma valve is the world's only glaucoma drainage device with a built-in valve to achieve immediate intraocular pressure reduction for advanced glaucoma patients. The Ahmed glaucoma valve features a unique valve design that allows aqueous humor to flow from the anterior chamber to the surrounding tissue to regulate and maintain IOP. The drainage tube allows aqueous humor to flow directly from the anterior chamber to the valve sheets. By changing shape consistently, the valve sheets regulate fluid flow and ensure that the desired pressure is maintained by opening to reduce pressure and closing once pressure is normalized. Each valve assembled undergoes 100% flow and pressure testing to ensure the highest quality and safety standards. The plate body is made of medical-grade silicone and has a tapered profile to facilitate insertion of the device. The features of the Ahmed glaucoma valve provide the surgeon with the ultimate flexibility to treat their patients, especially when immediate IOP reduction is needed. The Ahmed glaucoma valve is available in two size models, the FP7 and the FP8. To get started with the Ahmed glaucoma valve, the device must be primed. Priming removes air from the device, separates any binding of the valve sheets that may have temporarily fused together during the sterilization process, and allows for optimal functioning once implanted. Priming the device is achieved by injecting approximately 1 cc of balanced salt solution into the distal end of the drainage tube, using a 3 cc syringe. The device is primed and ready to use once BSS exits the valve. You may notice that the way in which fluid exits the valve during priming can vary. As an example, fluid may exit as a steady stream or as a subtle drip. The force required to prime the valve or speed that fluid exits may differ. 100% of valves are tested and controlled to deliver the expected experience after priming. Once the valve is primed and the valve sheets have been separated, the valve will perform as expected. To implant the Ahmed glaucoma valve, a conjunctival incision is made ensuring access and dissection under Tenon's capsule. Using scissors, a pocket is formed at the superior quadrant between the superior and lateral rectus muscles by blunt dissection. The plate is inserted into the pocket between the rectus muscles and it is sutured to the sclera. The drainage tube is trimmed and cut bevel up to permit a 2 to 3 millimeter insertion of the tube into the anterior chamber between the iris and cornea. A 23-gauge needle is used to create a scleral track, starting 2 to 3 millimeters posterior to the limbus, with care taken to enter the anterior chamber parallel to the iris plane. The drainage tube is then inserted into the anterior chamber through the needle track and inspected for proper length and positioning. The drainage tube overlying the sclera is covered with patch graft and sutured into place. Finally, the conjunctiva is reapproximated and sutured for closure. Once the Ahmed glaucoma valve is implanted, fluid drains from inside the anterior chamber through the drainage tube, regulated by the valve, then to the surrounding tissues. The Ahmed glaucoma valve continues to lead the way in glaucoma drainage device performance, as it has for over 30 years. It is more than an implant. It is a proven solution.